Hi and welcome to my Python YouTube channel. It's awesome to have you here. If you like this video, a thumbs up would be great. And make sure to subscribe for future videos. I also have a blog at prosperocoder.com with lots of cool stuff, so feel free to check it out. Sometimes it's useful to name the levels of a multi-index object. Let's have a look at the example from the previous part of the series. So here are the imports. Here's our multi-index objects created with the fromTuples method. And here's the data and the series object we created. This object looks like so. Fine. Although in this example, it's pretty obvious what the two levels are, it's not always the case. As this series object already exists, we can use the names attribute to set the names of the levels. So, names equals continent year. And now we have these two levels over here. Now it's even more obvious. You can also name the levels when you create a multi-index object. You just have to pass the names argument to the constructor. Let's create a new multi-index to demonstrate this. Now we can use any method. In this example, we'll use the fromProduct method. So here it is. And here we use the names attribute. So what we get is this, a multi-index object with names set to species and region. And now let's use the index to create a multi-indexed series object. So populations, here we have a numpy array. Now the populations above are given in thousands of individuals. So let's multiply each value by 1000 so that the actual data is displayed. So populations times equals 1000. And here's the series object created from populations using the P multi-index we just created. Populations by region. And here we have it. That's it. As you can see, named levels make it easier for us to know what data is represented by each of them. In the next part of the series, we'll be talking about multi-index data frame columns. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.